In this video, I'm going to show you how to create page numbers in Figma Slides in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick if you're building presentations and want every slide to stay organized, professional, and easy to follow. Page numbers help your audience keep track of where they are, and they also make your deck look much more polished. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Figma tips and workflow guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your presentation in Figma Slides. Make sure you're inside the slide deck you want to edit, because this feature is added directly to your slides. Once your file is open, look at the bottom toolbar. You'll see a plus icon there, and that is where we're going to start. Click the plus icon to open the insert options. This menu gives you different elements you can add to your presentation, and one of them is the slide number gadget. From the list, select slide number. After that, place it on your slide layout where you want the page number to appear. You can position it in a corner, along the bottom, or wherever it fits best with your design. Once it's placed, the slide number gadget will automatically display the correct number for each slide, so you do not have to update every page manually. That's what makes this feature so helpful for larger presentations and faster workflows. If you want your presentation to look consistent, you can also style the slide number to match your theme. Just make sure it stays readable and doesn't distract from the main content. And that's it. You've successfully created page numbers in Figma Slides. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in how professional your presentation looks. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials, design tips, and productivity shortcuts.